Hi guys, welcome to the another video of Excel tutorial. Today we are going to discuss how we can calculate the tariff and the VAT when we are dealing with the multiple shipment across various countries. We can also check that how much is my cost, insurance and freight value and how much tariff and the VAT are contributing to my total landed cost. If you are dealing with multi-country shipments, this sheet is very helpful for you. You can actually check your total landed cost, how much tariff you are paying to which country, how much VAT you are paying to which country, so that you can analyze your finances and manage them better. Let's move ahead. Before moving, I would like to tell you that right now we are running a discount on all of our Excel, and this offer is only valid for April month. We have multiple Excels across the procurement, distribution, forecasting, supply chain analytics. You can check them. They are going to help you to improve your productivity and analyze the concept mathematically. You just need to join the membership, which is the Insider Club membership, and you will immediately get the 10% discount on all of our Excel's document. Don't wait, it's a limited time period till April month. Moving ahead, so in order to use this Excel sheet, we will go to the definitions. Here we are just talking about that what are the terms are being used in this particular sheet, what their meaning is, which are very typical. You can go through it. Now moving to the master tab of this. So why this is a master tab? This is the tab where you are going to write down all of your countries in which you are dealing with and the kind of product you are dealing, what is the tariff these country usually applies. So you can write down all your tariff percentage and the VAT percentage as well. Now move to the input data. In the input data, you are going to write down what are your shipment IDs, what is the origin, what is the destination, how much quantity you are going to ship, what is the price of that particular shipment. This price is price per unit. What is the freight cost? And what are the amount which you are paying for the insurance. So here you can write down all of your shipments. So we are going to calculate the VAT and the tariff on this input data only. If you want to add any shipment, you just need to click add a new row and you just select any country with in the origin and in the destination. And you can put whatever quantity, price, freight and insurance you want to put. So this is how you can use this sheet. Now move to the calculation part of it. So in the calculation, first of all, we need to calculate the CIF. CIF is nothing but cost, insurance and freight cost. So how to calculate it? In order to calculate it, we just need to multiply quantity with the price and we need to add freight cost and the insurance cost in it. So sum of all these three is being considered as CIF cost. We need to remember this number because the next part, which is tariff, this tariff is going to levied on the CIF number only. So whatever cost we have calculated, now the tariff percentage which we have checked is being levied on the CIF number. So in this case, the destination country is USA. If we go to the master sheet, the USA has around 8% of tariff. So here the tariff calculation is happening automatically on this particular number. So this sheet actually take the context of column C and map it with this sheet, take out the number of tariff and multiply it with the CIF number. Now, once the tariff is being calculated, you need to calculate the VAT, which is value added tax. Now we need to remember that VAT is being levied on CIF plus tariff. So first you need to sum these two values and then you need to levy the tax, the VAT. Okay. So here you can see that for the USA, I have put 0% as a VAT. So that is why it is not being calculated. But if you check the second entry where the shipment is moving from India to Vietnam. So Vietnam has 10% as a VAT. So if you see the total CIF plus tariff is around 14,000 and that is why 10% VAT is being levied on total value of CIF plus tariff. Now the another cost part is the landed cost. So the landed cost is the sum of CIF, tariff and the VAT. So if you sum all of these three, that will be a total landed cost for you in order to ship that particular shipment from origin to destination. So this is how you are going to calculate your tariff, your VAT and a total landed cost. Now, if you're going to put all of your shipments and want to analyze where you have spent more money and in which country you are paying more for tariff and in which country you are paying more for VAT and how much percentage of your total spending is going into tariff or how much of your total spending is going into VAT, you can check this dashboard. Here we are just summarizing everything, that what is total shipment, total landed cost, total tariff, total VAT, total CIF, and by country how much tariff we are paying and by country how much VAT we are paying. Here is a visualization for it because USA has a 0% VAT, so that is why you can't see anything here. But yeah, you can put some number over here. And here we are showing that whatever cost is there, the CIF cost is the maximum, tariff is around 8% overall, and VAT is around 11% overall. If you see by country, India is eating most of the spending as a tariff because maybe I am shipping more to India. And in terms of VAT, the trend seems to be similar. So this is how you can calculate your VAT and tariff for a particular shipment and come on the total landed cost. If you want this Excel, I will attach this Excel at a very minimum price. You can just put your data and do this analysis. It's very simple. Please let us know if you want any other topic to be covered in our video. Till then, keep optimizing. Thanks for watching.